22 7B216 saddle points, nodes, SM Higgs Boson CMS 45 degrees, 33 degrees, angles, protons, Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal there. And we're going to talk about nodes, wires, DARPA, cougar. That's fiber optic. Hollow core fiber optic wires. Saddle points, factoring polynomials, CMS data, SM Higgs Boson decays at 45 degrees and 33 degree angles, while data line 22, cross-reference lines 1 to 27. Okay, so line 22, 7B215, factoring polynomials, algebra, floating point numbers, formula, Wow Seti. February 5th, 2014, the keyword is saddle points from factoring polynomials, previous video. Quotes and diagrams are from a blog. So we're going to look at this diagram, see how a signal goes up and a signal goes down and how it kind of curves right there. So graph to show max, minimum, and saddle points of that equation. And that's from www.3.nd.edu. February 1st, 2014, my thoughts. The saddle points is the protons going up and down in the Higgs event from the CMS detector in 2012. Proton-proton collision showing the center of mass energy of 8 TeV equals the decay of SM Higgs Boson to a pair of photons, dashed yellow lines, and green towers below. When I think of the word points, it makes me think of the nodes in the UFO core engine structure, how they send signals to the flexible, bendable superalloy metals, mixtures and formulas found, particle and metal mixtures, formulas will be found in the Wow data lines if we do a cross-reference of lines 1 to 27. Sorry. Quotes and diagrams from a blog. There's the Higgs event there. So this is image 1 of 5, figure 1, event recorded with the CMS detector in 2012 at a proton-proton center of mass energy of 8 TeV. So you can see the direction of the different signals on there with the green lines, right? So the events show characteristics expected from the decay of the SM Higgs boson to a pair of photons. The dashed yellow lines and green towers. So that will probably be these lines here. Okay. This event could also be shown the event could also be due to known standard model background processes. Okay, so the website was cms.web.cern.ch. So February 5th, 2014, my thoughts. The two protons from the SM Higgs boson decay is decay direction. Sorry, I tend to leave words out. Is north, northeast, and south, southeast at the angles in a sphere. So let's see what angles they are at. So I'm looking at the direction that they go, and then I'm looking at what angles do they go at, just, I don't know, just out of curiosity, right? So quotes and diagrams are from a blog. This shows different angles. We have an 18 degrees, 45 degrees, 33 degrees, 88 degrees, 22.5 degrees, and 7 degrees. And that's from www.themathleague.com. So here's the Higgs event below it. So if you look at it, I'm looking at an axis of x and y. So I visualize x, and this is y, or I don't know which direction x or y goes. I apologize, I can't think this morning. So image 1 of 5, figure 1, event recorded with the CMS detector 2000 at a proton-proton center of mass energy of 8 TeV. Again, that diagram is from cms.web.cern.ch, which we just looked at 2 seconds ago. February 5th, 2014, my thoughts. It looks like a 45 degree angle on the top signal. So if we go from here to here, this is a 45 degree angle. And a 33 degree angle on the bottom signal for the two protons in the SM Higgs decay diagram above. Okay. So this one goes at 45 degrees and this one goes at 33 degrees. Just based on this diagram of direction and how wide. I'll show you how I measured it. See? I measured the tip of my pen to where it went, and then I measured the Higgs signal to see where it went from my x and y axis, and that's how I came to that conclusion. Okay, so Google the keyword idea angles in a sphere in the next video. Thank you for watching.